If you want to connect Calendly to Typeform, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to link both tools so you can create a smoother booking flow, collect better information before meetings, and keep your scheduling setup organized. This is a great setup for coaches, consultants, service businesses, and anyone who wants to qualify people before they book time on their calendar. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click Integrations. This is where Calendly lets you connect other tools and expand what your account can do. After that, use the search or browse the integrations list until you find Typeform. When you see it, click Connect. At this point, Calendly will ask you to sign into your Typeform account. Go ahead and enter your Typeform login details and continue. This step is important because Calendly needs permission to access your Typeform account so it can build the connection between the two platforms. Once you sign in, you'll see an authorization screen asking you to approve the connection. Review the access carefully, then authorize it to move forward. After you approve the connection, return to Calendly. You should now be taken back into the integration setup area. From here, complete any remaining setup steps Calendly shows you. Depending on your account and workflow, you may need to choose which event or booking flow should use the Typeform connection. Make sure everything is pointed to the correct place so the right form is attached to the right event. Now comes the final part. Connect the Typeform forms you want to use with your Calendly events. This is where you match the form to the scheduling experience you want. If you have multiple forms, choose the one that fits your event best. For example, you might use one form for sales calls, another for consultations, and another for support or onboarding. Pick the form that gives you the information you need before someone books. Once that's done, test the connection if possible. Open the booking flow and make sure the Typeform step appears the way you expect. This is a smart way to confirm everything is working before you send people to the link. If something looks off, go back into the integration settings and check the connected account, the selected form, and the event setup. And that's it. You've successfully linked Calendly to Typeform. Now you can collect answers, qualify leads, and make your scheduling process much more efficient. If this walkthrough was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.